Hey YouTube, I'm Jen and I am back with another video. So today I'm excited because we are going to Gen Beauty. Well, shit, I don't know what it's called. I'll probably put it on the screen somewhere, but I'll get back to you guys when I am there. Okay, so got my little situation. Let's let the games begin. To get into some hair care textile. You can find that at Sephora. No, Ulta. Lies. Ulta. You guys know I love free stuff. So I'm excited about this. I try to get a Shea Moistures line, but they're talking about 15 to 20 minute wait to get into line, not to just stand in line. So I'm okay. I can live with the fact that I don't get nothing from Shea Moisture today. So now I'm at Shop Dirty Little Secrets. I don't even know what that is, so we're gonna find out today. Quick little bathroom break. I feel so much better. I feel like a million bucks. I need to reapply some lippy, but let's get back in this long line. Done with this scavenger hunt. It took me probably like 20 minutes, but let's see what I'm gonna get for it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I'm over it because these lines are too long and they have people waiting at the end of the line, pretty much trying to say the line is done, and I'm over it. I am free. I am out of there. I am ready to go home. I'm ready to see what's up in my bags. I bought only a couple things, but not too much, because of course I was getting a whole gang of stuff for free. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get to the house. I'm gonna do another video, separate video, so just be watching out for that. But I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got, and pretty much like, I want to say like 98% of it was free, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all in on this get it, alright? Peace. You guys, I just found out that I won second prize in the what is it called? The scavenger hunt at Ipsy. She said to come see her at the table tomorrow to come claim my prize. So you guys will see what I won. Oh my goodness. Okay. No more freaking out. Okay, so I am on my way back. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. We're about to go pick up my what is it called? Do you like my lipstick? I do like yours. I like that color. I'm about to go pick up my prize. We're gonna go back inside the line. You see these lines? Right? I need a snack in the line. I went with Heritage Begins in LA, and I got a California bowl, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it super pretty? I'm excited. With some spicy aioli on top. I believe that's what it's called. I don't know. about to make some lip gloss. I'm super excited. I had to wrap my food up. I don't know where it's gonna go, but we're gonna find a place because we're about to make some lip gloss.
It smells good.
I'm super excited. So what's going on here?
Okay, I would like to.
I want like a nude.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, hers is more flat. My fork is still sticking up. You guys, we are about to make our own lip gloss. We got our lab coats, our gloves. I'm super excited. Yes, girl, come through. She had to get her size. This was like, I still have to look stylish on them. Yes, come through. Come on. Yes. Yes, fashion statement with the jacket. It's going. It's coming. Come through. Come on out. Come on out. Okay, so station 1 is create the color. To fill this cup up with all of these to create my own color. I think I've got my color. Let me see your color. That's all I have at the station. So we're at station 2, which is add shimmer. I don't know which one I want, but I'm going to see now. Okay, so I went with the big white with gold reflection. It looks so pretty. Let's move on over to the hers.
Okay, I'm ready. Can't wait.
We're going over to the next, which is fill your gloss. Oh, no problem.
Okay, let's. Can you help me and hold this?
Okay, let me put this in here. So she is putting it in there, and she's gonna dispense it right into there. Bathroom break time. Where is my chip at? Oh, I see that little red skirt. You see her? So you guys, this is a wall of just pretty things that you get to write, and it's pretty much notes from random people. You get to write one and place it into the wall, and then you get to take one. So this is what I took. Believe in yourself. Remember 100 years from now, no one will care. I love it. Yes. Okay, you guys, so we are finished. Day 2 done. Okay, let me tell you guys what I got. So I got a t-shirt, and I believe I got a gear subscription. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know later on. But I got a gear subscription to Ipsy, which is awesome because I literally just subscribed like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and now it's free. Okay, so but yeah, so we are done here. We're done.